Good day, everybody. Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Good day, Nigerians. Good day, the nation. Please, I would want this video to go viral. Make this video to go viral. That Milo has been poisoned by the Fulanis. Look at the way the Fulani is poisoning this Milo and steal it back. Police caught this person, this Fulani man, and they're interrogating him. Now he's showing how he's doing it, and he have already said that he have sent many of them down to the east, to the eastern part of Nigeria, that people will buy, drink, and die. Fulanis, they are wicked. They are very, very wicked. Please send these videos all over the country, across everywhere, to Igbo land, to Hausa land, to Yoruba land, that people should know how wicked the Fulanis is. After they will tell us they are the real Muslims, they are the real Islam, but wickedness is their own. They cannot be doing this without Buhari's consent. They cannot be doing this without his consent. Send this video viral. Don't see it and watch it alone. Don't see it and keep it to yourself. Let other people see it and know about it, so that people will know how to run for their dear life. Save lives with these videos. Please, I'm begging you. I'm begging you, please. He's going to seal it now. Seal it down and package them. This is poison. He's poisoning people. Poisoning people's food. And letting people to be drinking it and be dying. Please send this video around the nation. Send this video around the nation, around the country. Please. Thank you. May God bless you as you share this video.
Audio Jungle.